Is it a dog shedder that's gonna be all over your house, hair all over the house? You know what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh. Don't wigs make y'all feel magical? You be putting on certain wigs and they just make you come to life. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Y'all feeling blind? We got summer coming up. We got these nice colors. We all dropping, Outre dropping them new releases like Jordans. Today, we talking about this new Outre melted hairline wig. This is the style Eliana and I have the color brown sugar. I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on, tell you how I feel about her, and let you know if she's worth your money. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button right there. And I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Let's get started.
Yeah. Check it out. See, what I believe is we was granted the power. What's that? Power what? The power to make you dance. Like this. I heard she's got a 9 to 5. But coming in after 12. I know you're tired of her life. She said, oh, go what they did. What?
My friends, so we're done putting on this wig and she is a beauty. So this is the Outre melted hairline Eliana wig. I have the color DR2BL brown sugar and I'm feeling real brown sugar in this. This blonde is nice, y'all. Like this okay, let me give y'all some specs. I'm sorry, I'm jumping ahead. I forgot how to record, okay? So this wig does come with that lace part in the middle. It comes with this hairline effect here. As you saw in the put down, I just kind of use this spray to kind of show you guys how this looks when it's melted. And this part is really melted, guys. Like, it's really secure, this part that I did use that lace spray on. This is the Outre melted hairline, and if you're not familiar with this collection, this lace collection out of like synthetic lace brands is really good. This really melts into your skin. So I just kind of did right here. As you saw, I left the sides, guys, because you know, the reality is I'm not putting this wig up. It's a middle part, it's a straight wig. I am wearing her down and I just felt like I wanted to show you how it looks when it does melt. And my K keep falling. Y'all don't tell me when my K falls. My K fell down. Alright guys, so I'm trying to find my lace tint spray, but I can't find it. You know what? If you watched the video, you would have saw the spray when I put it in the camera, okay?
20 minutes later.
Alright, took my wig off. Look what I just found. Look what I found, y'all. I found that tint spray I was trying to tell y'all about. So I've been using this new brand, this Kafune. I think that's how you say it, Kafune. It's a black owned brand, and I've been using the lace tint spray in this spray right here to melt the lace. I used to use my Ebony New York tint spray, but now I use that one because I feel like my Ebony New York tint spray is a little orangey off on camera, and that one I feel like gives me like a nice kind of, it blends better with my skin. So I do like that lace tint spray. So update on that. And then as far as this goes, This, I feel like, melts the lace really, really good. The bedhead spray that I used to use before is still good, but this one really melts into my skin. And I feel like it doesn't leave like this shiny kind of build-up, you know. So I'm really feeling this spray. So y'all definitely need to check it out. I'll leave a link below. You can get them off Amazon, or you can go directly to their link. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig, guys. So this is a nice, pretty color. It's perfect for people that want to get into colors and blondes, and not even just blondes. Synthetic wigs. I think I had to learn how to appreciate a synthetic wig. This is a plop and go. Like, you put this on your head and you're done. Like, if you're looking to experiment with colors, if you're looking to experiment with straight wigs, curly wigs, this is it. I'm really liking the color blend on this brown sugar, because it said brown sugar, so I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more brown, but it's not. It's this nice golden. It's kind of reminding me of like tiramisu, the Outre tiramisu color. And it has a lot of nice dimensions in here. Do y'all see those dimensions? Look at that, like 613s, ambers, and it blends really nice into those colors. The cap feels really good on this one. It's really comfortable. Again, I did not secure this wig all the way down. I'm not putting her up into a ponytail. If you feel like you want to do that with this wig, then definitely you can melt it all the way down, because you do get that lace frontal effect. Also, this wig is really long, guys. So this is what it's looking like. It's coming down like right about, I want to say, my belly button. This is a silky straight synthetic wig, okay? Understand what you're paying for. It's not a human hair wig, so it will what? It will what? It's gonna tangle, okay? It's gonna tangle, it's gonna get frayed, it's gonna do all that stuff, but you're paying for your looks. I did go in with my synthetic wig spray. I feel like this synthetic wig spray really helps glide your fingers through these wigs, and I did go in with a little bit of serum. Now, it's gonna temporarily glide your fingers through, and then eventually over time it's gonna get a little tangly. But that's kind of what you get when you get like a silky synthetic wig, so keep that in mind. As far as shedding goes, this is shedding on me, and I have noticed that with my Outre wigs, y'all comment below if you feel the same. I have noticed that they do tend to shed a little bit, okay? So they shed. Is it a dog shedder that's gonna be all over your house, hair all over the house? You know what? I don't think so, but I feel like if you keep your hands out of it and give that initial brush, you're gonna be fine. The ends are starting to get a little ratty on me. You can always go on with like a brush blow dryer and kind of like brush it out and make it work. But this is a beautiful color, guys. I like this wig. I think she's really cute, but she is silky. She's not yucky. As far as longevity goes, silky is going to kind of tangle a little bit quicker than a yucky synthetic wig, okay? So keep that in mind. Overall, I do like her. I think she's a banger. We do have some other colors in here, some reds, some sandy blonde, some cinnamon spice, some chocolate swaffle chocolate truffle, and some golden honeys. We got a lot of nice colors in here. And last thing, I felt like this kind of was like gonna be like Aaliyah, because Outre did come out with a straight melted hairline like this before, and it was Aaliyah, but Aaliyah I felt like was shorter. That's kind of the difference with this one, but it's pretty much like the same, just a little bit longer. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this wig. If you're liking my eyes, I do have a video coming up. Oh, they red. You know what, let's zoom back out. It's time to stop filming. But this is Egypt brown. I'll leave that below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.